Hi, this is Broden from Vernon Toyota, and here we have a 2008 Toyota Highlander. This Highlander is equipped with the Limited package, the 3.5 liter V6, and of course all-wheel drive. Currently sitting at 194,540 kilometers, this Highlander also has an accident-free Carfax report. The Limited package came with plenty of nice features like leather and heated seats, sunroof, backup camera, push-button start, and a JBL sound system. If you or somebody you know might be interested in taking a look at this Highlander in person or scheduling a test drive, just give me a call at the dealership. Again, my name is Broden, and our number here is 250-545-0687.